Hello guys, what's up? In this video I will discuss about tables very briefly. Now the first thing that I will tell you will be advantage of table. The first advantage of table is such that a table allows a developer or us to arrange data into rows and columns. A HTML table contains one table element and one or more tr, th and td element. tr stand for table rows, th stand for table heading and td stand for table data. Now the attributes that we will discuss in our lecture will be border, align, BG color, background color, border color, height and the width. Now a table has been formed in your screen. This is a sale wise table. Now for writing this we will write an element name as table and I will write tr name as table row. Now you can see that there are around about 5 headings in the table written as product id, price, sale count and sale date. So I will write th. I will just copy this and paste it 5 times and last time again. Now in this th I will write product id, price, sale price, and sales count, and the last one is sale date, and I will save it. Now there is no difference on our web page that this is a table or this is a paragraph. For giving a difference I will write border and inside the double quotes I will write 1 and I will save it. Now the border is appeared. Now we can say that this is a table. Now I will write tr again and now we will write td, which stand for table data. Now there are round about 5 table datas, so I will write td 5 times and last time again. Now inside it I will write 1, 30,000, 35,000, 55 and the last one is the sale date. I will write 2. I can say this hyphen or dash 04 dash 2018 and I will save it. Now I will use some attributes in my table. I can move this table into my center of my web page by writing a attribute name as align. I will write align and inside the double quotes I will write center and I will save it. Now you can see that our web page table is inside the center. Now I will change the background color or BG color of our table by writing BG color equal to double quotes and inside the double quotes I will write a color name as sky blue and saved. Now we can use an other color or we can change the border color by writing style and inside the style I will write, or first of all I will save this and I will write border or write style. I will write style right here. I will write style and inside the double quotes I will write border color dash color, and I will select a color name as red and I will save it. Now you can see that the color or the border color has been changed. Now I can change the height and width by writing another style inside here, or I will just write here is height, where the style, yes, the style is here, and the closing style. Now I will write height, and here I will write 200 pixels and I will save it. Now I can change the width by writing width, and I will write 20 and I pixels and I will save it. Now I can change the particular box color by writing inside the th I will write bg color and I will write suppose yellow and I will save it. These are some basic attributes used in a table. That's all for now. Take care.